Hello and welcome back to We Love New Homes, and we are in Newport in Shropshire today to see a development by Bloor, and I really do like these house types. Hello and welcome to another episode of We Love New Homes, and I'm here in Newport in Shropshire, and this is a development by Bloor Homes and it's called Hutchinson's Gate. And it's a brand new development. They've got an extra care on site, and Bloor haven't been in Shropshire for a while, so this is their sort of new site here, and it's a bit of a mix. There's a few stone houses thrown in here, but it'll give you a good chance to look at Bloor Homes' current range of house types. Without further ado, let's go and take a look. Eventually there will be 284 houses on this development, 2, 3 and 4 bedroom homes, including the usual amount of affordable houses. It's going to be in 3 phases, and a lot of the properties have EV charging and solar panels. Well, we are travelling up Station Road now, and as we pull into the development here, you can see on the right hand side there's a large extra care building going up there. Now, I like here we've retained the oak tree on the left hand side. You can't quite see it, but it's nice that they've done that, and then they've got the flood alleviation pond as a feature, so that's a good thing as well. Anyways, we'll come to the development. Got a lovely stone house on the corner. We've got the show homes here. I think there's 3 of them by the looks of it, but there's a real kind of feel on this development of different eras of architecture, so you'll see what I mean in a minute. Anyway, some nice little bungalows there. I think there's 3 of them just been popped in there. 3-storey houses on the left hand side. Look at those, they look almost colonial, don't they? I love those sort of small windows they've got with that kind of leaded cube effect there, but they've got this lovely light driveway here which takes us just up the fringe of the development. There's a little bit of a pathway up here, but look how well these houses are finished. They are beautiful and they really do look good. And there's, like I say, there's a different mix of architecture going on. So you'll see, like I said, across the road now, you can see straight ahead of us we've got a stone house there, a stone cladded house. And this is their current range of house types. But we've also got house types as well, which have got Tudor on them. 2 different types. So you can see the Tudor on the left hand side now and Tudor on the right. And there's different styles of Tudor, like this one now on the end here. You can see the chevron type Tudor on this. But this development is huge, 284 houses going on here, and I think so far so good. It looks a really nice balanced development, and the affordable houses are really good. I mean really good. Look at those there. Who wouldn't want to live in there, in one of those? But this lovely tree-lined fringe here again. So we're at the other side of that driveway now, and we're going to go up this driveway a little bit here. But these house types are beautiful. They are. I mean, who wouldn't want to live up in this little bit here? But they've really mixed it up. Like, look at that pair of semis there. Yeah, they look really nice. I'm really pleased with this development. I really like it. And these informal block paved streets that you know they are. But as you can see, you can't pass. If somebody parks outside, you can't pass around them, can you? But really nice. It really is nice. It's finished immaculately, apart from the road, of course. But you can see the wider development there ahead. They've I think it's in 3 phases, this development. But look at these Bloor house types. They are so gorgeous. And they look like they're going back to what family homes used to look like, which I think is really important. That I think we kind of have lost that a little bit. Well, this is the end of the development here. You can see building work is going on all the way along now. You can see that. And as we sort of come back down, you can see the foundations are down on these, but they are retaining all of the hedgerows and things like that, which really does matter, doesn't it? But I love the roof lines, those hipped roofs as well. They are stunning. And not every house is the same. I think even the balance of house types is just spot on here. They've got it really well. Now you know me. I like a house. I like to say what I think. Can you see they've got these sort of off-green windows here, like almost like a duck egg colour, which are facing this hedgerow here. Now this is really working with the existing landscape and the existing hedges, and really working it. And the Bloor architects have really sort of harnessed this now. Now as we come out of the development, these houses are finished so crisp. But I haven't had a chance to really look at the Bloor house type range, but I am absolutely over the moon with these. I think they're absolutely lovely. Where other developers are really cutting back on the bells and whistles, Bloor actually seem to care about what their house looks like. Well, you can see that extra care is underway. There's the entrance into the development, the other part of the development here. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and you can see further video tours of these lovely new homes, so you get a really good feel about it. Take care guys, see you soon.